Hey everyone, Patrick with Skid Pro. Today we're breaking down the Skid Pro Mini Soil Conditioner, your ticket to tackling tough soil in tight spaces. Imagine getting that perfect seed bed, smooth gravel driveway, or prepped field in less time and with way less hassle. What makes it so special? Well, let's start with design and heavy duty build. Our 48-inch straight-on cut is the perfect size for narrow spaces, yet it is big enough to tackle a large driveway with no problem. And this thing is built like a tank. We're talking heavy duty steel, up to 5/8-inch gussets, oversized 2-inch pins, and 48 staggered carbide-tipped teeth for serious pulverizing action. Now here's what really sets it apart. You get the same incredible tech we put in our full-size models, including a direct drive motor for maximum power, walking tandem front axles so it hugs the ground and keeps the rotor level, and even high flotation tires so bumps don't mess up your finish. This isn't some scaled down imitation, it's Skid Pro through and through. Best yet, hydraulic angling comes standard. It's easy to hook up, effortless controls, simply flip a switch and you're changing the angle on the fly. It ships with a Toro Dingo or Bobcat MT plate so you can put it to work when it arrives. And as always, it comes with our industry-leading 2-year warranty. Because when we build it tough, we mean it. Look, if you're a landscaper, a construction company, a farmer, or even a homeowner tired of fighting your yard, this is the upgrade you didn't know you needed. Our mini soil conditioner is packed with Skid Pro's legendary quality. It's just sized to fit your job perfectly. Ready to upgrade your soil game? Head over to skidpro.com or give us a shout at 877-378-4642. And remember, better products, better service, happier customers.